Welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to try Ching secret Schezwan fried rice masala. Let's start the preparation. First, take a pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil. After heating the oil, add 2 cups of chopped vegetables. I am adding carrot, onion, cabbage and capsicum. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. After frying the vegetables, add 600 grams of boiled rice. Mix it well. Now finally add Ching secret Schezwan fried rice masala. No need to add extra salt. Mix it well and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Cooking completed. Serve hot.